Hello everyone. Is it easy to awaken humans through collective consciousness for achieving enlightenment? Let's see. Every human is connected to each other through human collective consciousness. That means if you begin to enlighten, it is easier you to awaken other humans to the state of enlightenment. As an example, you can see if one person invents something, at the same time similar things being invented all over the world without contacting. When you come out from the mind into the present moment, you can touch the pure wisdom or higher intelligence or the main universal consciousness. When you gain the practice of staying in the level of this main universal consciousness, you can understand it properly. Then, when you again touch with the mind, you can preach your understanding through the limited words in the human languages. When you communicate your understanding as a knowledge to the human mind, human collective consciousness also disseminating this knowledge in the circuit of human collective consciousness. So, it is easier to awake humans to the enlightenment through the collective consciousness. That's why it is called as one enlightened person can initiate the process of enlightenment in a world.